Today I'll walk you through the steps of cutting a Dimple key with Condor XC-002 Pro. First, insert the internal Dimple probe and cutter. Insert the original key and the blank key using a shim. Rotate the knob to standard mode. Press down the handle and finish the calibration. Just follow the direction of the light and rotate the micro adjust knob until the middle light turns green. Make sure that the clamp is in the corresponding position. Turn on the cutter switch and press down the main handle to duplicate the key. Turn off the switch after finishing one side cutting. Flip the key and continue to cut the other side. After finishing one side, turn off the switch and clean up. Replace the internal Dimple probe and cutter with external ones. Switch the knob to Dimple mode, clamp the keys and don't forget to complete the calibration. Turn on the switch to cut the key. After finishing one side, turn off the switch and clean up. Flip the key and cut the other side. We've got a perfect duplicate. Let's give it a try. Works perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.